Hey, it's yayforyarn, and today I'm unboxing the August 2020 KnitCrate. Alright, I got my KnitCrate in the mail for this month, and again we have the actual boxes and not just bubble mailers anymore. We get the boxes back now. They're actually able to get those. So let's see what is inside this lovely green box. Alrighty. This looks really soft. Yep, and it is. It has a little bit of a sheen to it and kind of a little bit of fuzz, like there's little fuzzy bits of fiber sticking out everywhere. So this is Vita Lana Linen Jewel, and this is Superwash Merino Linen and Silk Fingering Weight. Very nice. This colorway is called Oasis. I really think that this would have some nice stitch definition because of that sheen. And Superwash Merino is very crisp as far as you can really see the texture of the yarn in the fabric that you make from it. So that is some really nice yarn. I like the feel of that. The color is really soft and pretty, and this sheen is really nice. I'm assuming the little bits of fiber that stick out are the linen. So we have 2 skeins of that. And then here's a little coaster. It's made of like, I guess it's like a cork paper. It's pretty thin, but that's kind of cute. And then here is the pattern book. So this looks like a knitting pattern on the front cover. Here are the yarns. So these are the other 2 colorways that you could get in the membership crate, and then these are the sock crate yarns. And here's a closer look at the membership yarns. This is the deep magenta here, and then this is a very, very soft pink, and this is the colorway that I got. And then here are the sock yarns. Alright, so here are all the patterns, and this is a knit shrug, and then there's also a crochet shrug. Here are the knit socks and the crochet socks. So there is also an oversized version of this crocheted shrug, which looks like you hold 2 yarns together, which probably means you would need 2 crates worth of yarn for this project, but that's also a neat way to create this shrug. Alright, so that's the end of all the patterns, and here's the theme peek for September. And this looks really interesting. Lots of different bright, happy colors here. So yeah, these patterns look like they would go really nicely with the yarn in the crate. So yeah, I think this is a great selection of items. This yarn is really soft and smooth and has a great texture to it. I would be interested to see how this would knit up or crochet up into fabric, but I think it would be really pretty. So thanks so much to KnitCrate for sending me this crate to review. If you want to try the KnitCrate membership for the first time, then you can click the link in the description box down below and use the coupon code yayforyarn20 for 20% off of your first crate. And if you like trying new yarns that you might not normally pick up if you went into a yarn store, this is a great way to do it. You get something different every month, and you can always pick which of the 3 colorways that you want for each month's crate. So you really can't go wrong with this. It's just a box of soft, squishy yarn every month, and it's always something different and always something pretty. And you don't even have to worry about getting a color you don't like because you get to pick the color. So yes, this is a great option for anybody who likes to try out new yarns, new types of yarn, new fibers, and they're all hand dyed, of course. So I would highly recommend this if you enjoy particularly luxury yarns or just trying new yarns in general. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have ever tried a KnitCrate subscription in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, making sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.